Hey guys, Samsung had succeeded with its Gear S3, but these devices haven't been updated in almost 2 years. This means it's almost certain that a refreshed watch is coming very soon. According to Sam Mobile, the Korean radio research agency has just certified a wireless charger for the S4, which may suggest a launch is imminent. If Samsung does reveal an updated variable, it seems likely that it will come in two styles, including a classic and frontier model. The Samsung Gear S4 will become with Tizen operating system. Tizen, which Samsung have built themselves, has powered their smartwatches since 2014. The Gear S4 could bring hugely improved health and sleep tracking capabilities, plus the ability to check blood pressure may also feature. And there's a strong suggestion that a new gold color scheme and much larger battery are inbound. The current Gear S3 includes a 380 mAh battery, but this looks set to be increased to 470 mAh on the next generation variable. If true, it could mean users get much longer life out of a single charge. Samsung is expected to reveal its new Gear smartwatch alongside with the Note 9 at 9th August. So yeah, now let me know what do you guys think about it, and make sure to subscribe to get updated about the Gear S4 and the Note 9 and other Samsung devices. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.